Hi guys. We are vlogging. No,
Rachel is coming at 10:10.
Oh. Okay, we'll see you guys inside.
This is the vlog. What's up, guys? This is Dicey, Daniel, Saya, and Lana,
and someone else.
We forget about Grace all the time, but it's fine.
That's so mean. Say hi.
Not too bad. Oh, see, look.
Okay.
Look at that. I got it.
We've been together for 2 minutes and he's already pissed me off. Rachel,
It's a skill.
start coming.
Yay.
Hi gang! So we're at Knott's Berry Farm waiting for the rest of us. Do you want to tell them my delusions?
Oh, so basically.
You're covering the camera.
Oh, my bad. So basically, Grace has a delusion. Okay. So basically.
No!
It's the same shit.
Oh, I said 6'5", brown eyes, brown fluffy hair, biceps. It's gonna happen.
Will it happen?
Stay tuned.
Hey.
Mother's here. Tell the vlog what happened.
I was racially profiled. By
Yeah,
Knott's
He's
Berry.
white.
All the
He's white.
no, aren't you Hispanic half?
Yeah, I'm half.
Shit.
From a drug smuggling country. Let's
Let's get a Glock, get a Glock.
We're headed to Silver Bullet. Guys, this way. It's this way.
Ina. Hi. Oh, we just went on Silver Bullet. Let's rank our experiences.
Daniel, bro. I can't think of a comment.
So, me and Christina are the scaredy cats. So they're going on Supreme Scream. I cannot see it. And we are just gonna stand on like calm ground and just like choose peace. You know?
After Supreme Scream.
It was okay.
Screen.
Oh.
While riding, please remain seated. Keeping back against the headrest. Your ride aboard the Supreme Scream is now over. Please remain seated until
On camera. We're gonna go again with the rest of the gang.
Double block.
Double block.
Let's go.
Double boom. The whole gang's here.
Yay. Yay.
Yay! Okay, bye.
Hey guys, Claire's here now. And we're gonna line up for accelerator.
An outfit change, but how was the second time?
It was fine.
Rachel, how was your first time?
It was not bad. I was screaming for the first drop.
She's lying.
We're gonna go on.
Not lying. Don't listen to him.
She's like shivering right now.
What are we gonna go on right
Her
now?
legs are.
Accelerator.
So what are we in?
Accelerator.
Accelerator.
They're coupled up over there.
Yeah. Couple, and then
Up over there.
and then we'll couple up.
Okay. No.
If you know the link, send it to me. Are you guys scared? No, we were not scared. They're over there, and then he's riding alone. We just finished accelerator. How do you feel?
I'm shaking.
You're shaking? Okay. How do you feel? How do you feel? How do you feel? How do you feel? Feel?
It was so
Great!
fun.
Another one! How do you guys feel?
Dude, my stomach feels fucking horrible.
I think low-key the takeoff was better than
More, you know?
No, yeah, low-key.
Did it really give what it needed to give?
Right.
Did it really?
Wait, let's get the rest of this. Wait, let's see the photos. Wait, I want to see the photos.
Alright.
She's scared.
I would never know. I get lack every time.
Who's he looking at? Who's he looking at?
Definitely looking at his. We order food right now.
How long?
Let's go.
For this line?
Like a lot, like 30 minutes. Block blast addict. Block blast addict.
Finished eating. I look a little more rough than I did at the beginning of the day. But where are we going right now?
To the water ride.
It's a tire ride.
We need to walk faster. I'm here because of Dom.
No, we'll walk faster.
I'm leaving with Dom.
Say hi to the vlog.
Hi.
Where are we going right now?
Calico River
Oh
Rapids.
my god, look at it.
Oh my god.
Should we take a picture?
Yeah.
Oh my god.
Saya, with it. Wait, did you show the camera?
Wait,
I wanna get
My
a
mom
photo
has
too.
some, but she forgot to bring them.
it's okay.
About to get wet.
Let's go.
Before about to get wet. Sticky.
No, not like that.
Red grade. Oh, red. Yeah. No.
No, no.
Oh, red. Yeah. No.
No, no. Hi. Hi. We've been in this line forever.
It's been like an hour.
We're about to be on Calico River Rapids. Woo! It's really gloomy though.
Yeah.
We waited really long.
Very. Mother is tired. Mother wants to go to bed.
No.
We just ended like 20 minutes.
Yeah, it is. That's exactly that. No, show. Flip the camera. That's the.
I can't flip it.
Hi.
I love you. Oh. Hi. What the fuck?
I feel so bonita.
So bonita.
Oh, wait, guys.
Hey.
So bonita. Oh no.
Yeah, I do.
Muy bonita.
Oh.
Close up shot.
Censor, no.
Future boyfriend.
Oh.
Guys, this is us before.
This is why we do chambers
This is us before River Rapids.
River Rapids, yeah.
This is us before River Rapids.
Dry and clean.
Side shots and then like front shots, but no back shots today. Look at this.
That's crazy. Tennis.
No back shots.
Did you get wet at all? Did you get wet? No, her. You're not that bad.
Are you recording?
Yeah.
Oh,
Yay, so cute. So cute.
What do you mean? You could protect it. It was under the poncho when you took it out.
oh, so we're on.
Hang time.
Hang time.
Let's go.
Let's go. I actually hate this one because I hate when you like hang. I mean, it's the whole point of the ride, but.
No, this one you don't hang. It's like you like sit on it and it like fucking crosses you.
I've done this before, you stupid. It like hangs. Stop yelling at me. I got my Google down I remember.
Let's get it.
Hi.
Let's get it.
That's it.
Woo. Let's get it. Let's get it. Let's get it. Let's get it.
How are we feeling? How are we feeling? A little scared? Wait, Rachel.
Say hi to the vlog right now.
Hi.
Take a look at this candy section. You got a burger. It's 100% organic, right?
Yes.
Yeah.
It says organic.
This. You know what this means?
We eat can't touch this pickle. Taste test. Saya, move your fat ass. Wait, maybe I shouldn't open it inside.
Yeah, don't.
Fucking bite. How big do you think this pickle is?
Can I have a bite? I don't want the wax.
What do you think? How's pickle? So good. Good? But I think Disney's pickle is way better. Oh, low-key. You're kind of right, low-key. Welcome back to the vlog. We got our candy. Alright, let me review this for you guys.
Wait.
Oh, this is really the fun.
Wait, guys, I want a picture with with my ballerina girl. Let's do it.
We got a rainbow belt.
Let's do it. Wait, can you hold the screen?
Oh,
I sit on the floor.
it reminds me of something.
Guys, I got the one you wanted.
Really good.
Okay.
I think only flavor's gone already.
Really solid? I give it a 3 out of 10. It's pretty 3 out of 10. Midnight, because people can live.
Oh.
Rainbow. Live.
Oh. Rainbow belt. 8 out of 10.
The spirit of Christmas.
It is time for Grace's solo shoot. Twice the size of yours.
I don't know. It's like
The lights just turned on.
look at the literal comparison. Hang time, and now it's obviously nighttime.
It is.
How are we doing? How are we doing? How are we doing?
Love works. Nice day.
Get up here. I don't.
I love not. Okay, let's see what the lovebirds are doing. What are you guys watching?
We're watching the first Smile movie.
Show the vlog. Show the vlog.
Watching Smile now?
They're watching Smile.
Well, he's watched it, but I never watched.
One.
Today, Lucky was craving some chicken breast. And so now we're gonna be cutting.
I just cut your hand.
Lucky, stop it. And then, don't these breasts look so good? No, not these. What is I'm just kidding.
Bye,
Yeah,
vlog.
Yeah, Chloe.
Yo, stores.
Everybody's mega tired
Then we're just kind of talking.
though. We are about to go on Ghost Rider. We are about to go on. Woo! Say hi.
Hi.
Are you guys excited? Oh fuck, I'm dying.
Yes,
Excited?
yes.
Are you guys excited? Okay, we're gonna figure out our poses. What's
I did this on like the hang time, and they thought I put up the middle finger, and they wouldn't show us the photo.
Like, as you're.
This is us after Ghost Rider. How was it? Rate your experience.
It was so fun.
Rate your 10 out of 10. Rate your experience. 10 out of 10. 100 out of 10. Rate it. 10 out of 10.
Best one today.
They tried to do the eating pose, but only he did the eating pose.
I was eating
and
it
she
from
was
him.
like this.
Shut the
She
fuck
was like
up.
this.
I was eating it from him.
Even okay. Good. Yeah. Wait, our pose was fire.
We ate that.
We ate that more than the one behind us. Wait,
Vlog.
Eating pose people back there. Oh wait, how about if it's like Silver Bullet Part 2 because
Let's go.
because
See you
people,
there.
because people didn't.
This is a transition.
Oh, transition. Oh. Wait, I can't cut it. You can't. Favorite ride out of today.
Ghost Rider.
Favorite ride out of today.
Ghost Rider.
Favorite ride out of today.
Accelerator.
Favorite ride out of today.
I don't know.
Wait, are we eating or not?
Favorite ride. Silver Bullet. Claire, favorite ride out of today. Ghost Riders.
Yeah.
Favorite ride out of today.
I'm your wing woman. No.
Oh,
You
favorite.
better respect me.
So, ma'am.
You better respect me.
Ma'am, favorite ride out of today.
Oh, Ghost Rider. 100%.
Yay! Ghost
10
Rider
out of
for
10.
me too. Wait, I don't know how to flip the camera.
Favorite ride out of today?
Wait, guys, what's going on? What are you
Ghost Rider.
Favorite ride?
Ghost Rider.
Favorite ride. Hang time.
Oh.
Favorite ride.
Favorite.
Oh, Ghost Rider.
Done. I already asked.
Accelerator.
I already asked.
Everything is about. Everything is about. Everything is about.
some cars. We can just see if there's maybe.
Leaving that part out.
It's time for silver bullet.
It's time for some cherries. Cherry. We just got out of Silver Bullet for the second time.
So good.
We sang Baby on it.
So good.
How's everyone feeling?
My stomach is really weird.
They're going to, and then we're gonna go on Ghost Rider one more time, and hopefully we can get on, if we're lucky, 2 more rides. If we're lucky.
Yeah. We are dining. Do you want to say something, Nana?
I don't know what to say. We're eating food.
Facts. Holy sh! That's a big ass burger, bro. I would say it's like a 7. What about yours?
A solid 8, but that's probably just because I'm hungry. Wait, did it work?
Yeah. I don't know why.
That's a big load of fries. Holy shit. Hi, gang.
Maybe if we're lucky, this isn't the last rider of the day. Hypothetically.
They're just friends.
They're just friends.
That's me and my
The same way that, you know, I'm just friends with
I like dressed up.
pause. Me. What are you guys watching?
Guess what we're
Looking
watching?
through my wallpaper.
Oh, okay. That's like not really cool, but okay. Snoopy.
Snoopy. Hello. Can someone check if they got the shared album?
Hi.
Hi. Oh shit. I know my gosh, you're so Grace. Say hi. Oh, it's not my phone. Sorry. Yeah, I'm sorry. I love you. Wait, I love you. Let's take a prediction. How long do you think the wait time is gonna be?
I think we'll get on the ride at 10:15.
I think we'll get on the ride at 10:10. I think we'll get on the ride around 10:30.
I think I'll get on. Will I get on right? Whoa. Will I get on right? Whoa. I think we'll get on the ride by 10. What time? Do you want to get on the ride by?
10.
What time do you think we're gonna get on the ride by?
10.
Right at 10.
Yeah, I agree.
We all majority says 10. What ride do you think? What time are we gonna get on the ride
10:15.
Like an hour and a half.
by? So 10:30.
I'm guessing 10:20, like a bit earlier.
Okay, so most of us said 10, but we'll see.
10:20.
No.